Zbliżam do tego drzewia.
Nobody has Indian like
So ahead of us you can also see another house sign. It says the house to the horse. You know, that is a tradition of the Middle Ages. At that time, regular people could not write nor read. But with a sign like that, men would still know, this is the restaurant to the horse where we can have an evening cup. Whilst, of course, the ladies would stay at home in the kitchen and fix dinner. And I'm not so sure things have changed all that much since then. So that was Marta pretty much. Look to the left, there's a baby that was born, huh? Tom and Matt, twins even. Wow. So, and now we're well on our way to the Waterfall. Now I hope you enjoyed that surprise. Look at that magnolia tree to the right, eh? Beautiful. So you can already see the Moonot Tower through the bushes here, through the trees, and in a moment we'll see it in its full beauty. So get ready with your cameras. Soon on the left-hand side, the Moonot Tower. So the next curve is going to be ours, from where you'll be able to take a very nice picture of the Moonot Tower. Look at it, there is also a vineyard. They produce some wonderful red wine there too. So at the next curve on the left hand side you'll be able to take a picture of the Moonot Tower. Get ready?
Ready.
So here he comes.
No.
Here to the left, look at the beautiful Moonot Tower, the landmark of Schaffhausen. So Schaffhausen has a beautiful old town as well. Unfortunately, we won't have the time to see it today, but it also would be worthwhile coming back here on your own sometime.
Oh, look at this, Lily, look. Lily, look how pretty it is.
So now I'll walk through the bus and find out if you'd like to join me on the boat to get to the middle rock of the Rhine Falls. Remember, it's 8 francs per person and 4 francs for a child. So please let me know.
Yes. Lil, look at it closer to the window.
So if you also be so kind, could I have your attention for a moment? If you'd also be so kind to look at your watches. My Swiss watch now tells me it's just about 10:30. At 11:40. At 11:40 I would like for you to come back to the bus. So we can drive off on time because we'll have a city tour in this bus later on, so we cannot be late. So I would appreciate you following my time. To look into the water, you'll see lots of fish. These are called alettes. They have a lot of bones, so people won't eat them. So they're basically having a pretty good time. Okay, and the only birds that I see here sometimes is gray herons that just need to basically put their head into the water and they'll have breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so let's walk across. Oh, it's that.
Lil, can I see fish? Where? Oh, look. Look down here. There's even more. Oh, look at them. Yes, Lily, I make my mind up not to go to the swimming place, but to go to the zoo. Well, first of this, we haven't got anything here. Secondly, we haven't got much time. See,
Look at this one.
it's too far as well. Even zoo is to get the zoo, you have to go quite awkward. But we will go to the zoo. It's I promise. Oh, look, stop, Lilichka, stay here, stay. You look at me. Just look at me.
So come down here for a moment. It's a lovely spot to take pictures. So here are the bathrooms. Look at the view you've got from here. So at 11 o'clock, you can stand right in line here, and I will take care of the tickets for us, okay?
15 minutes? We have 15 minutes. Okay.
11 o'clock?
Wer sind miteinander?
Wenn ihr für alle zahlen.
Ich habe eine Zeitzeuge.
Ah, ja.
Пойдем на эту лодку.
Entschuldigung, ich habe noch zwei Kollegen, die gerne schauen, wie sie Reiseleiter sind. Dürfen Sie mitkommen?
Сходи. Can go ahead. Lily, I think you need coat. Let's go sit there. Sit like this, so we can see both places. Or shall we sit on this side? Shall we see waterfall better? Давай, come on, this way. Come here, this way. Actually, okay, you sit there. I'll just make your picture here. Let me waterfall. All right.
So in 10 or in 20 minutes, the next boat, okay? Have fun.
Then 20 minutes?
10 minutes, the next one. Another 10 minutes, the next boat only one, all right?
All right. Okay. Lily, put this properly on, please. Yes. Thank you. After the people. Careful after them. Oh, look at them. That's a huge waterfall. Oh, God. No, well, we haven't even been here yet. There's people here. It's too small spot. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Oh, there's another spot here. Lily, come here then. Oh. I'm sorry. Gallo, coming back from here. Yeah, go back. Thank you, darling. I think that's good. Oh, why not? Yeah, stay in. I said, wait, let everyone go from here. Stay. Bloody annoying. Stay, darling, stay. To go somewhere else? No? I think we need to go to another post, huh? Детская площадка. Ah, he's there, yeah. Road. Yeah? Uh-huh. Where? Yeah, this big playground for big kids. Waterfall. Так, ну вот мы у Цюрик Лейк. Иди, go a little bit further. I'm doing a little bit video for you.
Wait, can I try your ice cream?
Huh?
You can try a bit of mine.
Go there, so I can film.
Yours is quite nice. Swap ice creams.
No,
Okay.
I want a strawberry one. Oh, hello!
You're on a city tour? Sorry? Oh, perfect. How are you? Did you get home well, or did you get to your hotel well?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Did you catch your chickens? Did you catch your chickens in Minecraft?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. Tour your city tour.
Thank you.
Happily 4.5 hours.
I'm going this one.
I have taken
Rosova was 51 years ago, February 1963. So we had one giant ice rink, and the layer of ice is so thick that the trucks could pass for one full month. We had any amount of food stalls in the middle of the lake. We had merry-go-rounds in the middle of the lake. Every day 150,000 people were on the lake just for the kick. And we once on the lake, and not like normally in summer, in the lake. That was 51 years ago, and it won't happen again because our winters are not anymore what they used to be. Global warming has reached Zurich. Ese lago puede congelar. La última vez que ocurrió era hace 51 años. En febrero de 63, todo el lago estaba congelado. Y la capa de hielo estaba tan fuerte que los camiones pudieron cruzar. Dieser Zürichsee kann so frieren, seit 51 Jahren ist es allerdings nicht mehr passiert. Die Winter sind leider nicht mehr, was sie einst waren, aber im Februar 63, da gab es den See zugefroren, dann als ganzer Monat, die Eisdecke war so dick, also dass die Lastwagen quer rüberfahren konnten. Gab es leider seit Februar 63 nicht mehr. Here, reclaimed land, the key is called the General Gison Key. The general we had in the Second World War. Very tricky situation of our history. We only have generals in war times. So far we have had 4 generals. Ese que se llama el que del general Gison. El general Gison era el general que tuvimos en la Segunda Guerra Mundial. Una fase muy crítica en nuestra historia.
Чулон. You already make yourself very joyful.
Hier se llama general Gison que
All your chin, even your forehead.
Aufgeschüttetes Land, vorher war der See größer, der ging bis da auf die linke Seite, da ist der Mauer. Wir haben nur generell in Kriegszeiten oder Zeiten höchste nationale Bedrohung, und das letzte Mal war das der Fall im Zweiten Weltkrieg, wo wir ja von der Achse komplett eingeschnürt waren. 100 meters from now, in the middle of the bridge, where you see the tram, there you have the classical postcard picture of Zurich. On the left, the 3 main churches of Zurich, and on the right, you have the Alps. A 100 metros de aquí, al medio del puente, verán Motivo clásico de Zurich por su guerra, las tres iglesias principales y por la derecha los Alpes. Hier in der Mitte der Brücke das klassische Postkartenmotiv von Zürich, links die drei Altstadtkirchen und rechts die Alpen. Mit dem Symbol von Zürich, so wie der Big Ben für London steht das große Münster, die doppeltürige Kirche für Zürich.
Beautiful.
The Double Tower Church, that's a symbol of Zurich. La torre con las dos iglesias es el símbolo de Zurich, no solamente el símbolo para Zurich, pero el símbolo por la Revolución, porque la Revolución en Suiza empieza allá. It stands again as a symbol for Reformation, because the Reformation in Switzerland started there, 1519.
Look,
And
the
ahead,
plane.
you have the Opera House with its
look instrument
big
they're playing.
square that came into being
Here's the top.
of the whole country, 16,000 square meters. Underneath we have parking. Opera House built in 1891 and 1,100 seats. La plaza más grande de toda Suiza, delante de ustedes, 16 metros cuadrados, y la ópera, 1100 inaugurado, 1891. Der größte Platz nicht nur von Zürich, sondern der ganzen Schweiz, rechts, mit Quarzit belegt, 16.000 Quadratmeter, hinten das Opernhaus, 1891 eingeweiht, der Vorgängerbau ist abgebrannt. Und in der Rekordzeit haben wir die neue Oper hingeklotzt. This square is called the Bellevue Square. Bellevue is French and means nice view. La Plaza Bellevue, una cruce para tranvías. Bellevue, Buena Vista. Look on the right, rechts.
So Lily, what he said, where we're going now? It's the same train like it was in Norway, yeah? Look at me, smile. What are you doing? Don't do. You only waste battery like this. Look, stop. What is this here? Is it a scratch or? No, look, stop. No, you're just dirty.
But I don't know how it works.
Okay. We're going up. Ooh. It's the same like in Norway, yeah? Ah. Look at me, darling. I don't think we're even going up. There's all houses here. Oh.
The one that's going down, the one that's going up. Oh. I would say one stage they have to separate.
No, that's fine. No, not yet. Doch nicht raus. Erst an der letzten Station, bei der letzten Station, genau. Verstehen Sie, Schweizer?
You're not even telling us anything, didn't you? This man. It's one stop only, first stop.
Hamburg ist auch so eine tolle Stadt. Ja, wirklich. Großer Fan. Ja, beste.
Oh, look at this. Who is it? What is that?
I don't know. I don't even know where we're going.
He's not speaking to people. He's speaking with some mate of his. It's rather not nice.
I bet the only reason he took this job is for money.
Maybe because he knows languages.
Yeah, that's the only reason why he got off.
Look. We just don't know what to do. Какой-то полицай. Личка, stay here, darling. Go on the bench.
Mom,
Oh, look at this. Look at the lovely view. Is this your deer season?
no, yeah.
Look, stay here, darling. I'll make you a quick
I'm
picture.
playing a game on here.
Yeah, but I need to make a picture, sorry.
No.
Yes. Right. So what? He didn't explain us a thing. Oh, I didn't hear him really. Clearly, stay in here. Stay on the top of this so I can see this building. Just you pay some attention on me.
It's 20 past 2 by the way.
3:40 only. It's a long time till we go into the boat
20
here.
past 2.
Yeah. It's a long time. 20 past 2 or 20 past 1?
20 past 2.
Okay, so in an hour time, no, in an hour and a half, we're going to boat. It's pretty here, this pretty building.
Switch. So we have the funny combination having more Catholic churches, more Protestant churches for the majority of Catholics. Esa era la renovación hasta 1950. Zurich era una fortaleza protestante. Luego empiezo, en 1950, empiezo la inmigración, primeramente.
Excuse me.
And here ahead you have the old town. Traffic free, right out of the old town, because the old town is split into two by the river Lemont. The right part, this part is a little bit bigger. Acá tenemos la ciudad vieja, la ciudad histórica, casi sin tráfico.
Так, да, вот тут, по-моему, смотри, трамвай здесь смотрели. А вон Mountain. Так, сейчас я тебя здесь поснимаю, стой спокойно. Стой, дочка. Лили, come here. Опять русские. Again Russians. Look, so many Russians here. You can see Russians again. Have we been here?
Yeah.
Hold on. Our lake is over there. No, I don't think we've been here.
Yeah.
It's another part of the city.
Yeah, Mum, we have been.
So where's the train station then?
Don't know. All the way from
Our lake is over there.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so we're walking here then, yeah? Like, let's go to see this old town then. We didn't see old town there.
Let's look in the church.
Oh yeah? You want to go to the church? I think we even came to the church, didn't we? Oh yes, we did this balcony, you remember?
Yeah. Why?
I don't know.
Mum, do you know what I would do if I had one of those watches? Take it to school every single day.
Yeah, and loses, yeah?
Huh? Look, the classic trolley. Takes you all around.
Yeah. Well. What about this house? These houses look like in a building. Very similar.
Mum, look. You walk round and you drink
Yeah.
out of.
But I don't know about drink, but I certainly will wash my hands here. Look, go here then. Look, this little town. Zurich. That was the center of Zurich. Huh? I think I understand where the zoo is.
Where?
Where have we been here? There was direction to the zoo.
I know.
Tomorrow, like I said. You won't go for all day, do you?
Yeah.
Ah. Ah?
Can I have a sandwich?
Oh yes, I think it's right time now. Shall we sit near the river? I don't want to get...
I can stand over there. But you're still walking up to the bus station. It's dangerous here.
Of course, darling, I'm not leaving you alone, don't worry. You know how all protective I am.
Yeah, so overprotective.
Is this good? What about Jessica's mom? She's overprotective as well, isn't she?
No.
No? What about Tasha's mom?
No. Oh no, Tatty's mum is.
Is she?
He won't let her take a step out of the house without her.
Well, what about when she was working and poor Tash stay home alone? Look at look at the funny looking
No,
car.
she stayed with her mum's friend.
Yeah, but still.
But do you know what she had to, her mum had to do? Pay her friends to look after Tatty.
Ah, babysitter, yeah.
I know. And we could have done it for free, I told her.
Well, yes, I could. This is in the church. Are you allowed to film in the church? Oh, there's no photograph allowed. So there's service here. No, ладно, we're not going to this. Oh, this again, this window. Well, nothing can be better than Russian and English church.
Why is that so? Because a community that has 10 multimillionaires with a tax rate of 10% can generate more money than a monthly flight attendant in the first year, first 2 years, flight attendant of Swiss earns 42,000 annual to a pilot. On the other hand, we have the top earners that earn 13 or 14 or 15 million. Top earners are in Roche Pharmaceuticals, Novartis Pharmaceuticals, Nestle, Food Trust, biggest food trust in the world, and so on. We have here a commune 20 miles farther up here with an extremely low tax rate. And guess who is living there? No, Roger Federer, annual income 60 to 70 million. Then Kimi Räikkönen, the racing car racer, Martina Hingis, tennis player, and many others. Richer the people. Tenemos una competición de impuestos sobre ingresos. Hay tres tipos de impuestos sobre ingresos: los impuestos federales, los impuestos cantonales o estatales y los impuestos comunales. lo más bajo. Y al otro lado tenemos los ganadores, los gran ganadores, los directores generales de las grandes compañías de Novartis, de Roche, de Nestlé. Ellos ganan 13, 14, 15 millones anuales. Wir haben ja eine große Lohnschere, die werden immer größer leider, das werden ein bisschen... y evita que damos una vuelta de la parte superior o inferior del lago, 30 kilómetros en cada caso. Y hace parte del transporte público. Diese Fähre gibt es seit den 1930er Jahren, ist Teil des öffentlichen Verkehrs. Erspart uns den Umweg 30 Kilometer via Rapperswil, das Oberende des Sees, oder das Unterende Zürich, weitere 30 Kilometer. Oh, we make it sink. We make it. Everybody can swim. You can swim.
Yeah, it's a swimming costume on here. Look at this mountain. Lily, we're going on.
Behind you,
Lily, come on. We're going to leave the bus.
No, but please be back before we arrive at the other side. But then all the driver cars will rush out,
Just need to do one thing.
and they want to go back to Mummy.
There will be a lot of people there.
And you're on the safe side if you're back in the bus.
Oh, look at this. Look at Stanley.
Mum, I think the girls' toilet might be on the other side.
Probably. Так, тогда стоит. Look at this mountain here, look. Lil, look at me, Lil. I think we're going now, yeah? We're nearly there. Lil, look at me, show me your face. Your pretty face. Or your ugly face. Так, все, уехали на другой остров миллионеров. Тут миллионеры все живут.
So this is the Silver Coast, the shadier coast. Over there live the haves, and here live the lesser haves.
Who?
I'm not saying the no haves, the lesser haves.
Lily, look, millionaires living here.
Haves over there,
Who's
lesser
haves?
haves.
Mum?
Because it's still a privilege to have lake view. We live in a country without direct access to the sea, but it's a privilege to have water view, either river view or lake view.
Lily, I want to listen.
The water view in this country can mean you have to go to the balcony, lean out over the railing, hold your head in a certain position to discover 20 square meters of water. And for that you pay up to 25% more rent. And we still are in a country of tenants and not of owners. 60% of the Swiss are tenants, 40% are owners because of lack of space. Ahora estamos en la costa, a la costa de Plata, la costa dorada al otro lado, costa de Plata acá. Entonces allá viven los que tienen y acá los que tienen un poquito menos. No, la gente que no tiene nada vive acá, porque todavía es un privilegio de tener vista al lago o vista al río. Vivimos en un país sin acceso directo al mar. No tenemos mar en ese país, entonces el privilegio de ver agua. Pero vista agua puede significar en el país hay que irse al balcón, asomarse sobre la barandilla, vamos, agua. Y por eso pagan 25% más. Also, sind wir an der Silberküste, da drüben ist die Goldküste, hier die Silberküste, also dort drüben wohnen diejenigen, die haben, hier wohnen diejenigen, die etwas weniger haben. Ich sage nicht, die haben nichts, sie wohnen mehr. Also im einfachen Grund, weil es ist immer noch ein Privileg in diesem Land, das keinen Meeresanschluss hat, ein Privileg, Wassersicht zu haben, also Flusssicht oder Seesicht. Aber Fluss- oder Seesicht kann heißen, man geht auf den Balkon, lehnt sich über das Geländer, hält den Kopf in einer bestimmten Position und dann kann man vielleicht 20, 30 Quadratmeter lieb Wasser entdecken. Für das bezahlen wir 25% mehr.
Look at the playground for millionaires. Все составинками.
We have a percentage of foreigners living in this country that is a record in Europe. 24% of the population is foreign. And if we count the undocumented ones that are estimated to be 200,000, that's the size of the city of Geneva, and we have well over the 24%. Geneva is even 42% of the population is not Swiss. So, tenemos 24% de la gente de la Suiza, 33% de la población que no son suizos y la ciudad de Ginebra son 42%. Es por las sedes principales de las Naciones Unidas que están en Ginebra. Uh, 24% offizielle also statistisch gesehen ist der Ausländeranteil in der Schweiz 24%, in der Stadt Zürich 33%. Switzerland was a country of immigrants. We left the country since the 1880s. So 130 years, we are a country of immigrants. Various reasons. I think the major reason is that this country ticks like a clock. Well, have you heard of any rebellion in this country? Have you heard of any early elections in this country? Have you ever heard of a toppling government in this country? Have you heard of any strike in this country? You know when we had the last general strike in this country? 1918. That is exactly 96 years back. We had the last general strike. And that's again a record in Europe. If we look for the adventurous life, this Switzerland is the worst possible country. If we look for consistency, continuity, stability, then
I'm not really sure much.
No, давай, maybe it's another one.
So this brings us to the end of our tour Zurich and surroundings. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed the tour, and we wish you a very, very pleasant continuation of your stay here in Zurich, and of course very happy return with a happy landing. Thank you.
Low battery.
There's only one bar gone.
Oh, that's good.
Bueno,